everybody, I'm at the beach. Beach is over there. I'm going to make a so simple and delicious easy recipe. Buchujeon, chive pancake. With this buchu, I got this from Korean grocery store yesterday before I coming to the beach. Once I saw this buchu, I can't help buying a lot amount. This buchu, I make a kimchi, I make a pancake, I make all kind of stuff. Let's get started. It smells so good. And we gotta make batter. First, I need flour. Just all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup, half cup, and this is 1/4 cup. And we need water, same amount, 3/4 cup. So half cup and 1/4 cup. 2 teaspoons fish sauce. But if you are vegetarian, use salt. Just mix. See? This kind of density. Now we are going to add chives and some onion. So this is 4 ounces. I measured and washed so clean now. So I'm going to chop it up. And we gotta add onion. This onion make it more tasty, a little sweet and a little crispy. 1/4 cup. Okay, mix. Let's cook. We are going to pan fry this. So medium high heat. Heat up the pan. Cooking oil about 1 or 2 tablespoons, just generously. And it depends on your size of your pan. Spread this. I still have a leftover, so I may have to make two times. So you see, you need a non-stick pan. Bottom a little crispy, you see. It's time to flip over. Put it back. Again cooking. To make it more crunchy, add some more cooking oil, about 1 tablespoon. Just a little drizzle. This buchujeon is so easy. I all the time make this, and good side dish. Everybody loves this. When I lived in Korea, so I met this lady, and one day she invited me to her house, and I went there. She was just, oh, I'm making buchujeon. And I was just curious about how she make buchujeon. What's her version? She put the chopped buchu in a bowl, and the flour, even she didn't measure, just the flour and water and salt. She used the salt and mix and make a pancake. So easy, but it turned out so good. And later, just I added chopped onion. So when I add chopped onion, more tasty. And also I use, I'm kind of big fan of fish sauce, as you know. And then make it more delicious. Okay, wow, nice. Come on, here, look at. Okay, turn off. Looks so good. Let's eat outside. I want to show you the ocean view. You can serve this as it is or just with rice. The chive flavor is amazing, and also chopped onion make it really sweet and crispy. So that's why I make this pancake all the time. Today we made chive pancake, in Korean gochujang. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.